Remember that first taste of freedom? The future is wide open. That worn-out map spread out across the land. The smell of grass. The windows down, covered in mud. The wind a joyful blast. Do you remember the stones crackling? Do you remember the sand on your lips? Frost etching patterns on the window glass? Do you remember the ice on your lashes? Your reflection in this infinite mirror. Time passes. But with you, it's if no time has passed. It's more than rubber, more than just a tread. It's every laugh, each crazy plan ahead. Holding tight in every way you move. Your wheels will get you there, everywhere you choose.